Hello everyone! Welcome back to the NoteSaid24 channel. Today, we will do shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening and repeating sentences aloud. It helps you speak English more clearly. It helps you remember words and sentences easily. It also helps improve your pronunciation. Shadowing is fun and easy for beginners. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences for doing household chores. We will practice doing household chores actions using easy and clear English. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Try to say each sentence aloud with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you will improve very fast. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video because every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes because today is the day your English speaking changes. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Are you ready to practice 100 sentences? Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? All right, welcome, and let's start and enjoy learning English. I clean the floor in the morning. I clean the floor in the morning. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I make my bed every day. I make my bed every day. I sweep the floor slowly. I sweep the floor slowly. I mop the floor in the kitchen. I mop the floor in the kitchen. I take out the trash today. I take out the trash today. I clean the table after eating. I clean the table after eating. I wash my clothes on Sunday. I wash my clothes on Sunday. I fold my clothes carefully. I fold my clothes carefully. I hang the clothes outside. I hang the clothes outside. I wipe the table with a cloth. I wipe the table with a cloth. I clean the window today. I clean the window today. I dust the furniture every week. I dust the furniture every week. I water the plants in the morning. I water the plants in the morning. I organize my room today. I organize my room today. I clean the bathroom carefully. I clean the bathroom carefully. I wash the cups and plates. I wash the cups and plates. I sweep the yard in the morning. I sweep the yard in the morning. I put the books on the shelf. I put the books on the shelf. I clean the mirror slowly. I clean the mirror slowly. I wash the vegetables in the sink. I wash the vegetables in the sink. I cut the vegetables for dinner. I cut the vegetables for dinner. I set the table for lunch. I set the table for lunch. I clear the table after lunch. I clear the table after lunch. I carry the groceries home. I carry the groceries home. I put the groceries in the fridge. I put the groceries in the fridge. I wipe the kitchen counter. I wipe the kitchen counter. I clean the sink after washing. I clean the sink after washing. I open the windows for fresh air. I open the windows for fresh air. I close the windows at night. I close the windows at night. I turn on the washing machine. I turn on the washing machine. I take the clothes out. I take the clothes out. I fold the towels neatly. I fold the towels neatly. I change the bed sheets today. I change the bed sheets today. I clean the door handle. I clean the door handle. I sweep under the table. I sweep under the table. I mop the living room floor. I mop the living room floor. I clean the fan with a cloth. I clean the fan with a cloth. I arrange the pillows on the sofa. I arrange the pillows on the sofa. I put the toys in the box. I put the toys in the box. I tidy up the living room. I tidy up the living room. I wash the cooking pots. I wash the cooking pots. I clean the stove after cooking. I clean the stove after cooking. I wipe the dining table. I wipe the dining table. I clean the floor with water. I clean the floor with water. I pick up the dirty clothes. I pick up the dirty clothes. I wash the floor mats today. I wash the floor mats today. I shake the dust from the mat. I shake the dust from the mat. I clean the shelves today. I clean the shelves today. I wipe the TV screen carefully. I wipe the TV screen carefully. I clean the corners of the room. I clean the corners of the room. I sweep the balcony floor. I sweep the balcony floor. I water the garden plants. I water the garden plants. I wash the lunch boxes. I wash the lunch boxes. I dry the dishes with a towel. I dry the dishes with a towel. I clean the kitchen wall. I clean the kitchen wall. I throw away old papers. I throw away old papers. I sort the clean clothes. I sort the clean clothes. I iron my clothes today. I iron my clothes today. I hang my shirt in the closet. I hang my shirt in the closet. I clean the bathroom sink. I clean the bathroom sink. I wash the bathroom floor. I wash the bathroom floor. I clean the toilet carefully. I clean the toilet carefully. I wipe the bathroom mirror. I wipe the bathroom mirror. I refill the water bottles. I refill the water bottles. I fill the kettle with water. I fill the kettle with water. I clean the refrigerator shelf. I clean the refrigerator shelf. I throw out old food. I throw out old food. I wash the cutting board. I wash the cutting board. I clean the kitchen sink. I clean the kitchen sink. I wipe the cabinet doors. I wipe the cabinet doors. I sweep the front yard. I sweep the front yard. I water the flowers today. I water the flowers today. I collect the dry clothes. I collect the dry clothes. I fold the shirts carefully. I fold the shirts carefully. I organize the kitchen tools. I organize the kitchen tools. I put the spoons in the drawer. I put the spoons in the drawer. I wash the frying pan. I wash the frying pan. I clean the cooking area. I clean the cooking area. I wipe the floor with a mop. I wipe the floor with a mop. I tidy the kitchen every day. I tidy the kitchen every day. I help my family with chores. I help my family with chores. I finish my chores before rest. I finish my chores before rest. I like a clean house. I like a clean house. I feel happy after cleaning. I feel happy after cleaning.
Great job today! You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye!